If you want to look beautiful without makeup, there are a few things you can do. Skin. Good nutrition, enough sleep, regular exercise, and a proper skincare routine all contribute to healthy skin and a natural glow. If you have any skin conditions like acne, treat them with home remedies or consult a doctor. Establish a skincare regimen that includes cleaning, moisturizing, and exfoliating. Use a gentle face cleanser daily to remove dust and pollutants. Exfoliate once a week to get rid of dead skin cells and reveal a radiant complexion. Choose a moisturizer that suits your skin type and don't forget to apply sunscreen before going outdoors. Consider getting a facial or face spa once a month for increased blood flow and firm, supple skin. Keeping yourself groomed is important too. Visit a salon for manicures, pedicures, and hair spa sessions. If you want to get rid of unwanted hair, book a waxing appointment. Style your eyebrows to accentuate your eyes. You can go for a perfectly trimmed eyebrow or a bold, full-grown brow. Use a lash curler or lash extensions to make your eyelashes more prominent. Treat dark circles and puffy eyes with under-eye cream or home remedies like chilled tea bags, exfoliating your lips and applying lip balm regularly. Maintain good dental hygiene and consider professional teeth polishing for a dazzling smile. Pamper your hair and make it the focus of your look. Try boho chic hairstyles, messy buns or braids. Clean your hair regularly to prevent skin issues. Your clothing choices can greatly impact how you look and feel about yourself, as well as how others perceive you. Remember, looking beautiful without makeup is all about taking care of yourself and embracing your natural beauty.